Felix and Winston here sniffing around. Big banks and the whole market are expecting earnings to come down this year and then to rally up. Do you want to know exactly how much? Well, I'll tell you exactly how much after you popped a comment down below and smash the like button, of course, because we're giving away lots of subscriptions to our premium newsletters, like $800 a year. But essentially, in a normal recession, like global financial crisis, let's keep an eye on Winston, global financial crisis and COVID, the market had an earnings per share drop of like 35 percentage points, roughly 30, 28, 20, 32%. COVID, we only had 15% drop. Why? Well, because the government bailed us out. And the market is forecasting for this particular recession coming up, 2023 one, 2024 one, a 4% drop only. How's that possible? Isn't that just like wishful thinking? And then you know what they're saying is going to happen after we go down 4% on earnings? We're going to rally again, straight up, pretty much straight up, which would be a 70% increase in earnings since the COVID low. That would be a faster earnings growth than we've had any time during the last 20 years. So are these guys smoking something? Is AI going to make all earnings better? Are we going to like be able to fire everybody? Or, you know, what's really going on here? How is that feasible, you ask? And I ask the same thing, and Winston's asking the same thing down there by sniffing stuff. So lots of optimism in the medium long term in the market, but I don't really see it in the medium term, to be honest with you. I just think they are telling us white lies to keep our money in their funds and keep banks happy, that sort of thing. So I'd be cautious. And honestly, with that, I think this recession is coming, whether you like it or not. And either you're prepared for it or you're not. The one thing that my students say again and again and again is that the number one regret is that they didn't start sooner. And I suspect the same applies to you. If you haven't got your financial education down thoroughly and you know what to do, you know how to make money out of a recession more than at any other time, because that's the biggest boost to our wealth, is always during a recession. It's the downturns where you make money, not the rallies up. It sounds skewish, but that's the way it is, because there are bigger opportunities out there. You can buy things cheaper and you come out of it flying, especially if you can build an extra income stream during it. So all I'd say to you is one thing, and one thing only, is just book a call with us. Go to felixfranz.org/coaching, just click that button, book a call with us, and ask us questions. And if you and us decide this isn't for you, we're going to send you some free resources. You're going to get some good stuff out of that. And yeah, that's really all I would say. It's the weekend. It's the time to do it. Oh, Winston sniffs around here outside the doggy playground. There it is. It isn't actually a doggy playground. But there we are. So, and of course, remember those comments if you want to win stuff. If you want to win how the strategies that we describe and explain that bankers actually use, that's what we put in our newsletter. You can see the link down below, felixfranz.org/trade as well. Otherwise, just pop it in for a chance to win it by the end of the week.